Hello at my factory. Yesterday I done some welding over here. Yes, I know the welding isn't perfect. I'm using stick welding over here. Here I should do work by milling, and then this piece will be complete. What we can see over here, I've done some dentist work. I removed some metal. I prepared piece for the welding, and I think so. So I now weld this by stick welding way. The same welding I don't film because I don't want to damage my camera, and I still not find a way how to can film welding process. And after the welding I try to make some video for this. Thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.